Hello everyone. Today I come up with a new video on Germany. So in that we will try to understand the geography and tourism and a few of the interesting facts of Germany. So when I talk about the interesting facts about the Germany, so in the Germany, wishing the birthday wishes in the advance, it is considered bad, which we do normally in our country. Okay. And Germany, the nation, it has not mentioned any speed limit for vehicles on the road. So whatever the speed you want, whatever the speed of your vehicle, you can ride your vehicles. Then you might have heard, okay, many people they say that Germans are rude. So that is the thing, because they are not rude. It is the fact what they teach or what they know. They talk about only facts. Okay, so when they wanted to say regarding good things about you, they will say in front of you. When they want to talk the bad things about you, they will talk in front of you itself. They will not talk behind your back. Okay, so that is again the interesting facts of Germans which we have to study. And the German language, it is not too easy to learn, guys. Okay, if you are not a German, then for other mother tongue people it is very difficult to learn. And the Fanta, popular drink. Okay, it is popular among the Germans. Okay, they don't prefer your other brands. Okay, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and those things for their soft drinks. Fanta is very popular one. And Germany is the first nation who have published their magazine in 1663. That is also one of the interesting fact. Then another interesting fact is in German, when a school students, when he enters the schools on his or her first day, the school people they will gift him or her with a bag full of chocolates and the toys, because they consider that day as they will give that gift as the gift before the serious life. Okay, they will consider this education and the working life is serious one. Okay, so again when I talk about the German guys, Germany people they will enjoy their Sunday they will keep it for the fun. They will not do any works on this day. Okay, I can say every Sundays there will be a lockdown kind of a situation in the German. Okay, holiday free time means a holiday free time for German people. They will not do any works. Okay, when you compare to Indians, whatever pending works we are having throughout our week works, we will keep it on our holidays. But the Germans they will not do like that. They will keep whole Sunday as for their rest to their mind and body. And one of the bad thing about the German, and it is the interesting fact is, once you cross your age as 14, okay, most of the German people they start drinking beer. Beer is very popular in the German, guys. Okay, thousands of varieties of beers you will get in German. And when I talk about German, it is also this country. It is okay. How can we forget regarding Hitler, the the founder of your Nazi movement or Nazi party? Okay, who is the what I can say, who laid the foundation for the Second World War, which has happened between 1939 to 1945. He is the one who has started the Second World War, and he is the one. Okay, with his death, the Second World War has ended. Very cruel guy. Okay, with because of Hitler, the crores together people they lost their lives. That we have to remember when we are talking about Germany. Then when you talk about the tourism attractions, okay, Berlin, which is the capital city of Germany, very beautiful city it is. And the lifeline of Berlin is your Spree River, okay, which passes from the city center. And as a tourism purpose, there you will going to see the cruises. Okay, in that cruise ride, okay, in in that cruise ride, the tourist guide, he will give the whole information about the German and all those kind of a thing, along with your food and drinks kind of a services you will get inside that. Okay. And when you are in that cruise, you will get an opportunity to see the beautiful attractions of the Berlin city, be it your Berlin Tower, be it your museums, that kind of a thing. And Germany is also considered as the manufacturing hub. They manufacture in their country n number of products, be it your cars, be it your mobile phone parts. We say China people, they manufacture, many a times they assemble few of the products. The manufacturing of the cell phone parts, many a times it is from the Germany. And when you talk about the BMW, Audi kind of a luxury cars, the Germany is the manufacturer. And Germany, it is the largest manufacturers of the car. Okay. And even if you book the taxes in the Germany, guys, okay, you will get your BMW, Audi cars. Okay, 70 to 80% of the taxes they run with BMW and Audi cars. So that kind of a luxury taxes you will get in Germany. Okay, cities when you go for the tour. Then when I talk about the basic travel information about the Germany, continent is Europe, capital city is Berlin, and largest city is also the Berlin, and currency is euro, as many of the European Union countries they accept this euro currency. And around 8.5 crore population this country has. And when you talk about the neighboring countries, when you talk about the eastern countries, okay, eastern part of your Germany is bordered by Poland and Czech Republic. When you talk about the southeast, it has the country called Austria. When you talk about the western part of your Germany, it is bordered by Netherlands, Belgium and Luxembourg. And when you talk about the southwest, it has the France. And when you talk about the north, it has the Denmark country in the northern side. So this is about the neighboring countries. Again, when you talk about the religion, Christianity is the major religion of Germany. Again, major tourism cities: Hamburg, Munich, Cologne, Bonn, Frankfurt. These are the few popular cities for tourism. And this is what the longitude and latitudinal extent is. And time zone is +2 is the time zone of Germany. And when you talk about political map, when you discuss this political map of Germany, it contains 16 federal states, and each state has its own constitution, guys. Okay. And Berlin, which is the capital city, has the third most visited city in the world. Okay. It attracts a number of tourists. Then one good thing about the Germans is the German like to do their domestic tourism. Okay, 30% of the people they like to visit the German country itself. Again, when you talk about the rivers, there are 4 rivers. There are 4 major rivers you will going to see in the German. One is Danube, second is Rhine, Elbe, then Main. When you talk about Danube, that is the second longest river in the Europe continent. Okay, when you talk about whole continent, when you talk about only Germany, Danube is the longest river with the 1777 miles long. And apart from that, it also passes through the 9 other countries like Serbia, Austria, Bulgaria and so. Next one is the Rhine. Rhine is the second largest river in Germany, like that Elbe and these Main. When you talk about the major tourist attractions, guys, okay, so I have selected few of the attractions from this Germany's capital city. First one is the Cologne's Cathedral. This is the church. Okay, so this is again Cologne's Cathedral. This is the tallest structure in the city, and it has the area of 8,000 square meters, and at a time 20,000 people they can enter inside this cathedral and they can pray to Lord Jesus. 2 main towers at the top. You will going to see the 2 main towers which are in the Gothic architecture style. And the foundation to this Cologne's Cathedral has took on 1248. Okay. Next attraction is Brandenburg Gate. When we talk about this Brandenburg Gate, it is the what I can say. This Brandenburg Gate, this monument is the symbol of peace and unity. and this Brandenburg Gate, it separates the East Berlin and West Berlin separately, and the construction has started in the 1788 and completed after 3 years in the 1791, sorry. And here you will going to see 12 Doric columns. In that, 5 portals you will going to see 1 2 3 4 5, and originally these 5 portals, they served to the royal use only, and the height is 66 feet and 213 feet wide. Okay, so that is about your next one is New Swanstone Castle. Okay, so this is very beautiful castle you will going to see in Germany. Okay, and the majorly the location of this castle is very beautiful, which attracts the tourist. And what happened after 1886, this is allowed for the public. Okay, and next one is Europa Park. This is the theme park which attracts a number of tourists towards it, and this the amusement purpose. Okay, you can enjoy the water rides, the various kind of rides in this amusement park. You and your whole family, they can enjoy a whole day in this Europa Park. The next attraction is, as I earlier told you, the Europeans, the majorly when I talk about the Germans, they are very interested. They like to drink a beer. With respect to that, every year in the month of September to October, for 16 to 18 days, they conduct one fest called Oktoberfest. In this fest, they provide a number of tent facility, and the tourist will get an opportunity to taste beer, thousands of varieties of a beer, and that beer will be served in 1 liter of glass. So that is very interesting fact about our Germany. So this is what I wanted to cover in this class. See you in next class, guys. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.